this video, I'll teach you how you can use ChatGPT to start and grow your entrepreneurial business with prompt templates from Keywords Everywhere. So let's get started. Okay, so to get access to the business prompts for entrepreneurs, you need Keywords Everywhere. So go to keywordseverywhere.com. Now, this is a browser add-on that you can install for either Chrome or Firefox. So make sure you have this installed. And the next step is for you to log in to your OpenAI account. Now, with the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll notice two new things in your ChatGPT dashboard. The first thing is this templates button on the left-hand side. And the second thing is this continue button on the top right-hand corner. Now, to get access to all of the business prompts for entrepreneurs, we need to click on this templates button. This opens up the ChatGPT prompt templates widget. We then need to click under the category dropdown and click on professionals. And for the subcategory dropdown, we are going to click on entrepreneurs. And these are all of the entrepreneurial templates that we have available. Let's click on business auditor. Now you can use this template to find out the strengths and potential challenges for your business. You can choose from different languages here. I'm going to click on English. And this is where you add your business description. I'm going to put down e-commerce website selling streetwear. So that is our business description. And this is our prompt template. The information we added up here automatically gets added to this template. It says, please respond only in the English language, which we've selected here. And then it continues and it says, you are a seasoned entrepreneur. Your business is in need of an audit. Please prepare market research, SWOT analysis, and potential challenges for e-commerce website selling streetwear, which is our business description right here. Now you can edit any text in this template if you wish, but I'm going to leave it as is and click on execute template. Okay, so within a few seconds, ChatGPT generated an audit for our business. Now this is our prompt template that we executed, and this is what it generated. It completed market research for us, and it organized the information in this really nice table. So for our e-commerce website that sells streetwear, these are the various market segments that we have. So Gen Z, millennials, fashion enthusiasts, the size of the market segment, the growth rate, and the competition. And ChatGPT also provided us with a SWOT analysis. So these are the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats for our business. It also provided us with a list of potential challenges as well. The first one says intense competition from established streetwear e-commerce websites. The next one says building brand recognition and gaining a loyal customer base, and so on. So as you can see, this is a great prompt that you can use to do a quick audit on your business. Now keep in mind, ChatGPT sometimes hallucinates data, so any information that it provides you might not always be correct. So you definitely want to do your own independent research and possibly speak to a professional. But nonetheless, this template is a great one that you can use to get you started with your business audit. Okay, so let's go to the next prompt template. Let's click on this templates button. And for the templates dropdown, we're going to click on Business Idea Generator. Now, entrepreneurs can use this one to generate unique business plans for your industry of choice. You can choose from different languages, and this is where we add our market or industry. So let's just put down men's fashion, and this is where you can tell ChatGPT how many ideas you want it to generate. So let's just put 3, and this is our prompt template. Now we are going to click on Execute Template. All right, so it provided us with 3 business ideas. So again, this is our prompt template that we executed, and this is business idea number 1. So ChatGPT recommends a men's fashion subscription box. This is the business plan for that, and some challenges and solutions as well. This one is business idea number 2, which is an online men's personal styling service with a business plan and challenges and solutions. And the third business idea is a men's sustainable fashion brand with a business plan and challenges and solutions. So this is a great template that you can use to brainstorm some business ideas you may want to start. Okay, so let's go to the next prompt template. Let's click on this templates button. And for the templates dropdown, we are going to click on Marketing Manager. So you can use ChatGPT as your own marketing manager. This template will generate suggestions for your business's marketing strategy using frameworks. So you can choose from different languages, and this is where you add your business. So I'm going to put down e-commerce website selling streetwear, and these are the frameworks that you can choose. So AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action, PAS, problem, agitate, solution, BAB, before and after bridge, and lastly, FAB, features, advantages, and benefits. Let's click on AIDA, and this is our prompt template. So the template says, write an AIDA model to generate marketing strategy and sales for the following business, e-commerce website selling streetwear. All right, so let's click on execute template. All right, here we go. So ChatGPT used the AIDA model to generate an entire marketing strategy for our e-commerce website that sells streetwear. You can see it organized the information in this really nice table. So these are the various stages. So attention, interest, desire, and action. And these are the strategies for each stage. So for the attention stage, the strategies include social media advertising, collaborations, engaging content, and SEO. And for the interest stage, the strategies are to create compelling product descriptions and visuals, create an interactive and user-friendly website design, and so on. So you can use this guide as a general marketing strategy that you can follow to start and or find new ideas to really kick off your business and get more customers and sell more products. All right, so let's go to the next template. Let's click on this templates button. And for the templates dropdown, we're going to click on the last one, Business Advisor. So here is where you can use ChatGPT as your own personal business advisor. This template will generate business advice to improve business efficiency. Okay, so you can choose from different languages. Then we need to answer these questions about our business. So the first one says, what is your business about? It's an e-commerce website selling streetwear. The next question says, how do you do business, online, in person, or both? Online, what does a usual day look like in your business? I'm going to put down fulfill online orders and answer customer queries. The next one says, who does what in your team? Okay, so I'm going to put down here, my customer support staff monitors email and website chat. My marketing manager manages social media. My PR manager works with online blogs and magazines. And the next question asks, what parts of your work seem slow or difficult? I'm going to put down driving more traffic to my website. And lastly, what technology do you use in your business? Since we have an e-commerce website, I'm going to put down Shopify and Google Analytics. And this is our prompt template. Now I'm going to click on execute template. Okay, so ChatGPT acted as our personal business advisor. It analyzed our answers to their questions and provided a list of areas of improvement, okay? That's the first column right here. It also provided us with the strategy type and description. So the first area improvement says increase website traffic, and this is a marketing strategy type. And for the description, it says implement targeted online advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to the website. Utilize SEO techniques to improve organic visibility and attract more organic traffic, and so on. And this is the second area of improvement, streamline order fulfillment. Now this one is in operations, and this is a list of the descriptions for this area of improvement, and so on. So here you have a free business advisor that you can leverage anytime for your business. All right, so those are the prompts I wanted to show you today. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by hitting that like button and also subscribing to our channel. And if you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.